Ihenya ria kwambiriria gwetha uria ugakorwo ari munini wa Raila Odinga no rurahitaitanira giturwa kia president na tigiti wa Azimio La Umoja One Kenya ni riambiriirie. Ihenya riri riambiriirie na guthondekwo kwa utongoria wa kamiti ya mwanya ya andu 7 aria mahetwo kibarua gia gutuithania no mukinyaniru giturwa-ini giki. Kamiti no nianiriire gwikinyiria muthenya wa rucio ciama iria iri rungu rwa ngwataniro ino ya Azimio ikorwo ineanite mundu uria marona ari mwagiriru guthukirwo giturwa giki mbere ya Mihang'o ya kumagereka kabiro ihuritwo mwaki.
The committee requests any constituent party members of the Azimio La Umoja One Kenya Alliance that wishes to nominate any person for consideration as a candidate for the position of Deputy President of the coalition to submit the name of such a person by close of business tomorrow.
Rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio kuri na ciama 26 no Kalonzo Musyoka wa kiama kia Wiper, Martha Karua wa kiama kia NARC Kenya na Peter Munya wa PNU no amwe aria makoretwo makigwetwo na njira nene giturwa-ini giki ona gutwika kuri na kiuria gia kana Kalonzo ni kurorohia murugamo wake netekire kugerekwo kabiro.
Correspondence to the committee should be made to the secretary through running mate at azimio.ke.
Muteti Peter Kenneth Charity Ngilu wa kiama kia NARC udomwe na governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua ni maugete onao ni makinyanirie ikiro iria cirendekana giturwa-ini giki.
They will avail opportunities to any candidate who wishes to make any presentation to the members of this committee a chance to do so.
Maya magethiaga na mbere gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia atumia kia maendeleo ya wanawake ni mateterithitie no muhakaria marahitaitanira giturwa kia president metekere kuoya atumia tanini yao.
So we are saying this with a lot of humility. We are not forcing, we are just humbly requesting that Baba, the former Prime Minister, we've been there with you from last year and we promised you that we shall give you this vote, that it will be nice.
Kiuria kia no mwagiriru kuheo giturwa kia munini wa Odinga gikoretwo gikiambatirio rugari ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio na guikia hatikaine urumwe wayo na kana miria ngwataniro ino ni guthigithwo na makiria ikuringana na uria Mihang'o ya kuihuria giturwa giki igutwarithio na mbere. Kibarua kinene kiria kiri mbere ya kamiti no riu ni gucagura no mwagiriru gutwika munini wa Odinga gwikinyiria tariki 10 mbere ya ritwa riake ritemanitio kuri IEBC gwikinyiria tariki 16 mweri uyu turi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Nugari wa Kamau.